Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my diamond painting and not only diamond painting kits stash that I am planning to diamond paint once I complete my current kit Fall in Central Park from Diamond Dotz. I just started diamond painting it. Look how pretty it is. I did only this part and it took me like almost 3 days. Too much confetti, but you can't even imagine how much I enjoy diamond painting. It is a beautiful kit. So as soon as I finish that one, I will start diamond painting one of these kits. And I don't know if you follow my channel, maybe you noticed that I haven't unboxed a diamond painting for a while. That's because I found out that that actually I have too many kits in the storage. I should finish these ones at this point and then start purchasing new kits. So I guess I'm going to start with Make Market. I purchased them like a year or even 2 years ago, and all of them are Christmas related at that point. This diamond painting kit is 40 by 50 centimeters. You can see the completed kit here on the preview on the box photo. These are completed kits. Look how beautiful and how detailed they are. This kit contains 27 colors, and I'm planning on customizing it and adding some crystals, most likely in the train windows and maybe white AB. As much as I like Make Market, it is really very well detailed when completed. I love the quality of the canvas, of the glue, of the diamonds, but the only thing what I've noticed, they do not include AB diamonds, so that is why AB or crystals, so that is why I enhance my kits on my own. And the kits are pretty cheap. They are $15, at least 40 by 50 centimeters, but you can actually purchase them cheaper because very often when they're sold at Michael's, they go on sale. I purchased all Make Market kits at Michael's. I don't know, maybe they exclusively make those for Michael's, I'm not sure, but I purchased these kits for $10, then they went down for $7. So the train, the next one is the horse, 40 by 60 centimeters. They're all 40 by 60 centimeters, and this kit includes 30 colors. Beautiful. The detalization is just amazing. You know, I am a fan of hand charted kits, or if it is a computer rendered kit, at least there should be some designers that would work on the kit. So the final result is the most important for me. I can close my eyes on a lot of things, on the quality of the canvas, on the quality of the diamonds, but detalization is one of the most important things for me. Doesn't matter how good quality the canvas and the glue and the drills are, if the final result is not itemized, I'm not purchasing those kits anymore. So this is my least favorite design, the wreath, 40 by 50 centimeters. It's not because it's bad or something, it's just me. I'm not really a fan. So it has 29 colors. Did I say how many colors the horse has? 30 colors, the horse. Okay. So I'm not sure what I'm going to replace on these two. Maybe white ABs on the horse. That's what I'm gonna add. As to this one, maybe red and green ABs. I'm not sure yet. That's one of the reasons why this design is my least favorite, because I cannot imagine what I'm going to customize in it, what colors I'm going to replace with crystals and ABs. Okay, now let's move to more Make Market kits, and once we are done with them, we will move to the rest. Okay, this one is 40 by 40 by 50 centimeters, 2 nutcrackers. Again, the detalization is just amazing. I just saw other companies' kits which are way bigger than that, yet they turned out pretty pixelated. That is why I appreciate those companies that hand chart their kits, or at least have a team of designers that work on their kits once they are computer generated. to make them look as detailed as possible. This kit has 30 colors. Santa, 16 by 20 inches, 40 by 50 centimeters. My favorite size because it is very easy to find the frame, because the standard frame is 40 by 60 or 40 by 50 centimeters that I purchased at Michael's. Here they are, these frames. Okay, so this one has 32 colors. So what I'm planning to replace on these two, maybe I would add white ABs and golden metallic drills, maybe on the belt or over here, whatever is made of metal, maybe the crown, I'm not sure. Santa, the same white ABs, maybe some crystals, I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will make this out of gold because it's supposed to be metallic, right? So maybe I can add gold metallic drills that I purchased from Diamond Dotz. I'm not sure yet. Again, as long as I find the same shade, I'll do it. The same color and the same shade. The next one is one of my favorites. I don't know why I'm so attracted to this very design. Red car, 40 by 50 centimeters, and it has 27 colors. I'm actually planning on doing this kit once I complete my Central Park one. I don't know, I just love it. And definitely I will replace white color with white AB. I think it will turn out gorgeous. And the last kit, it is also from Art Market, but I purchased it I think 2 years ago, and back then this company's name was Art Minds. This gingerbread house. I do not like gray color over here and on the Christmas trees much. I don't think that I will be touching it and replacing it with something, but I would definitely replace this gray heart on the house with maybe sparklers and the yellow in the windows and in the door with yellow crystals. So this is all with Make Market. All of them are Christmas related. 4 here, 3 here. They're selling more now at Michael's. The majority are summer and Halloween related kits, but I'm trying not to buy them because, first of all, they're not on sale. If they were on sale, it would be hard to resist not to buy them. But since they are not, I'm thinking that I should, finish the ones that I have in stash and then start purchasing and spending my money on the new ones. But I'm afraid that once Christmas approaches, that's it. I'll have to spend the money because it is very hard for me to resist purchasing Christmas-related designs, and Make Market designs are beautiful, just beautiful. Just look at them. Now, a few designs from Diamond Dotz. These two are partials. I purchased them from Walmart. I don't even remember for how much. The background is not diamond painted. This one, Roses, contains 22 colors. Maybe I will do it in between my bigger projects because I usually finish it like in several days. This one, Mandala, 27 by 27 centimeters, 10 by 10 inches. Again, the background is not diamond painted. This one, it is not partial, although it is pretty small, but it contains 36 colors. So it is 27 by 35 centimeters, but 36 colors, more than 40 by 50 Make Market ones. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that. Now, the cat is like, it is so real. Like when I saw it, I thought maybe it was a photo of a real cat, but in reality, no, this is a completed Diamond Dotz kit. This is a preview photo of a completed design. It is just so realistic. So I'm thinking of replacing maybe the eyes with crystals. I did it before on my wolf kit, and it turned out beautiful. 16 colors, and this one is pretty big, no, for me, 38 by 45 centimeters, and non-standard size, it's going to be very hard to find the frame for it. So these are, all these kits were purchased at physical stores, Michael's. This one is also from Michael's, and this 3 from Walmart, as far as I remember. You know, I don't like diamond painting animals, but that one was hard to resist. $10 only, so I had to purchase it. Make market $10. These two $10. This one I don't remember. I guess it was also on sale, otherwise I wouldn't purchase it. Next, kits from AliExpress. These 3 are icons from Virgin Mary. It makes a beautiful gift for the church that I'm going to. It's Orthodox, and we have a lot of icons there. So they usually sell it and use money for the church itself. Or sometimes I give it to my friends from the church. They also like it. Or we can donate it to the monastery. We'll see. So again, these icons will be also diamond painted in between the bigger projects. I like to rest between my bigger projects, so that is why I usually diamond paint smaller kits. This one is from AliExpress. I did a video unboxing. That's how it's supposed to look. I saw it also in Dreamer Designs, but in Dreamer Designs it's way too big. I do not diamond paint such huge kits. So 70 by 50 centimeters is the size, a perfect size to fit all the details that you see on the image. But unfortunately, the seller sent me a smaller kit. Although it says 70 by 50 centimeters, it is smaller. I don't remember how much, 65 by 45 centimeters or even smaller. In any case, the size is smaller than it should be, and that size would not show all the detailization. So I'm afraid, no, since, you know, AliExpress sellers and stores do not have a team of designers like Diamond Dotz or Diamond Tower Club or Craft Body or Wizard even, or as far as I understand, Make Market, that work on their designs after it is computer generated and hand charted to make it as realistic and as detailed as possible. I'm afraid that what I see here on the canvas will turn out in real life, so I don't even want to waste my time on diamond painting it, because I'm afraid it will not turn out as detailed as this. Again, even if there is no a team of designers and the kits are not hand charted, the bigger size is enough to show the detailization like in Dreamer Designs. Dreamer Designs do not have a team of artists. That is why their kits are so big to fit the detailization. That's why they turn out so detailed, because they're just too big. It's impossible. In rare cases it is, but it is very hard to screw up a kit and make it pixelated if the size is huge, you know? But this one, the size is smaller. If it was 70 by 50 centimeters, maybe it would work out. But smaller than that, no. Maybe I will diamond paint the door and see how it looks. But as far as I understood, this image is color related. So whatever you see now should, look the same once it is completed. Again, I might diamond paint the door, the gate, and we'll see if it's gonna look if it's gonna look pixelated. I won't even continue diamond painting it. So, in 3 more kits that I wanted to show you that are in my stash, they are not diamond painting kits, but they are beaded cross stitch kits from Ukrainian company Wondercraft or Wonderland. It was called Wonderland. As far as I understand, now they changed the name and it's called Wonderland Craft or Wondercraft. I will leave the link in the description box below. They do ship worldwide. I checked their website. They have even more kits, more beaded cross stitch kits, and they're beautiful. I will order from them, but first I need to finish these 3. So the base is wooden. Okay, there is also a pattern that you use, the beads, the thread. They also put the needles, and I don't know where they are. I need to find them. And these are Christmas tree ornaments. Look how pretty they are. I already made a detailed a video review on unboxing these kits, and I diamond painted a lot of Christmas ornaments from Wonderland, but there are some left. This is the napkin holder. That's actually what I opened. I didn't open all of them. And this is another napkin holder. So these 3 kits that I should finish, but they have more. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully one day you will see the completed kits that you just saw in this video. Post reviews on all these kits. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.